God, can we like not look like we rolled out of fucking bed right now? Hey, you guys. It's literally me. I mean, look, what the hell am I doing? I've got on a cutoff t-shirt, glam earrings, a red lip, I didn't shower, it's Sunday, I'm trying to do yard work, but I gotta get this video out of the way. Why? Because I got more KILLSTAR. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. I bought more KILLSTAR stuff. God, can we make those edits like any more awkward? KILLSTAR had another 30% off sale. I'm sure there's gonna be lots of videos around about it because, you know, that's the best time to shop is when they have their 30 or 40% off sales. Although I will say at Christmas time, they have some amazing stocking stuffer deals where you can get like a lot of the lifestyle products for like $5. So always be on the lookout for those. This is actually not a large haul. This is like kind of a mini haul, but it is semi-exciting because one of the things in here is something that I've wanted for a very long time, but I like refused to pay full price and it was never on sale. And I was like, oh, I just can't spend that much on this. But with the 30% off sale, everything was 30% off. So I was like, I'm getting it. Also, very exciting, there is something for you guys in this box. So stay tuned, watch me try this shit on and enjoy. So as always, I'm gonna scooch over here. So I'm gonna put the website photo of the item right here and then also the video of me trying it on. So have a blast. Let me get my little buy list out here. The first item is the Cosmic Certainty Velvet Vest in black. So here she is along with the video. She's very, very cute. I got this for a really, really good price. I think with the 30% off sale, it was like $12 or something like that. But as you can see, it is the Burnout Velvet Paisley pattern. It is see-through, but it's also that semi-opaque because if you can see in the video, I'm not wearing a bra and you can barely tell, I hope. This fit is very flowy and light, and it is a crop length. So you can either wear like high-waisted leggings or even low-rise jeans if you want to go for like that little younger, sexier look that I'm trying to. Also, I just want to note one more time, just like the bodysuit, this does have the warning tag that it is heavily dyed black. I don't know why every time I do a KILLSTAR video, I wear my lightest color nail strips and then they end up turning gray. That is just something that is wrong with me and I'm never going to be able to fix it. Lastly, I just want to note that these straps are adjustable, which is really, really nice because for some reason KILLSTAR straps are so long on me. So it was nice to be able to adjust them. And I did buy this in a size large. I bought it in a large just in case the length was like a little bit too short. I could get a little bit more coverage. Honestly, I could have got away with this in a medium, but I'm not mad about it. It is a really cute top, and I think for what I paid for it, it was definitely worth it. Definitely a cute little spring summer piece. All right, the next item is the item that I have been pining after for months now. Usually when I buy KILLSTAR stuff, it's like sweatshirts, hoodies, jackets, that type of thing. So I'm always on the hunt for like a nice warm weather piece. So even when I got this t-shirt, I was like, oh yay, something I can wear in the summertime. And I saw this online and I was like, oh, I want that so bad. It's a maxi dress and would look adorable in the spring and summertime. It is the Dethroned maxi dress in black. So here she is. I bought her in a size medium just so that I could get a fit. My husband told me I should actually order it in a small based on the lounge dress from the last video as well. But I was like, no, I'm gonna get a medium because I don't want to look like a sausage in it. You know what I mean? But she is so pretty. She is such a stunner. I love her so much. She's made out of very soft, stretchy material. It is like, it has a ton of give on it, but it feels so good on the skin. Luxurious. Like that's the only way that I can describe it. I don't know, but I don't want to stop touching it. And the pattern on it is just so beautiful. It's so subtle just in normal life, but like in the light, it has like a sheen to it. So it's got a pattern at the top And then at the bottom of the dress, it has like a church window pattern. Oh my gosh, like look at that. Is that not freaking stunning? I mean, come on. Do you see why I wanted this so bad? It's floor length. These are not adjustable, sadly. This thing is freaking gorgeous. I'll wear it with black sandals. I can wear it with heels. I will even put on a pair of slip-on tennis shoes with this. Don't try me. I'm so glad that I actually picked this up on the sale. It is so comfortable. It is so beautiful. This again is another piece that if you're looking for something that is just so gothly gorgeous, I would totally recommend to pick this one up. I love you. The next item, it's a funny one because I actually did want this, but my husband purchased it for me. He had it on his reminder list because for some reason it was on the website for months, but it kept saying coming soon, coming soon. And we kept checking and we're like, why is this not on there yet? And then finally he got a notification that it was on there. So during the 30% off sale, he bought it for me. This is the Star Child Tote purse. Here's the dust bag. Dun, dun, dun. You know when you see a KILLSTAR dust bag, something amazing is about to pop out. Here she is. Look at this little gorgeous thing. Actually, I say little, it is not little, and that is my issue with it. This thing is a lot bigger than what we both had originally thought. I was so excited to be able to carry this around, and to be honest, it is so big, I'm not gonna be able to use it for daily use, but I'm definitely keeping it because it is so pretty. So it has a bunch of snake and star stitch detailing in this black velvet. It is absolutely stunning. It has a mock zipper in the middle. This doesn't actually open to anything, but it's there for looks. It's got leather buckles on the side. It's got the KILLSTAR branding. It's a zipper top, and it is very, very large inside. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Like, it's gorgeous. It's just, if you can see from the video, it is very, very large. There are some women that are into that whole 80s thing with the women that would carry around the boat bags and like have their whole entire life in there. I'm just like not one of those women because I will just keep putting shit in here until it's too heavy to carry, and then I'm walking around with like a hunchback, and I'm just really not into that. But what we did decide is this is a perfect bag to sneak in movie snacks. So that is what I'm definitely going to be using it for because I'm killing two birds with one stone with this bag, you know, being super stylish and a social misfit, which is just perfect for me. The final item in this KILLSTAR box is actually for you guys. When I was buying all this stuff, I was like, you know, a lot of people like the KILLSTAR videos. Why don't I just throw something in to put in Harris to do in our next giveaway? This is the Nyte, Nyte sunglasses in the color Blood. So of course they come with the KILLSTAR branded sunglass pouch. Ooh, these are nice. So they're kind of like a matte red finish plastic, but they've got this cute little star in either corner. And it does look like that they are branded KILLSTAR on either side. So these are super cute. Oh, yeah. Do I want to keep these? So I hope that that's something that you will like. These are super adorable. I'm like, kind of like, Nope, I got them for you guys. I'm gonna put them in the giveaway. I'm gonna put the whole box into Harris. There you go. Also, don't forget that the earrings that I'm wearing are also in the giveaway if you caught them on my Fashion Nova video. So don't forget, now you've got the sunglasses, the earrings, and a shit ton of makeup that I've been putting in there. So please remember to subscribe so that you can get the details on when to enter to win all that stuff. With that being said, I want to thank you guys again for sitting through this with me. You guys are all troopers every time. If you could leave me a comment below and tell me if you like the sunglasses or not, if you would be interested in some more KILLSTAR stuff and some upcoming giveaways, let me know. Also, if you could like this video or dislike this video, either way, it lets me know if you like something or if you don't like something, and then I can just, no, I won't modify because I am me and tough shit. You're just gonna have to deal with it. I love love you guys so much. Please understand that it means a lot to me if you watch these videos. It means a lot to me if you like it, dislike it, subscribe, all that stuff. Thank you so much. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one.